Guys, short ribs. Have you ever had slow cooked beef short ribs? Well, anyone that has theirs, or if you've cooked it, put your hands up, leave a comment in my comment section, and let me know how it turned out, right? These were really good. Now, I've marinated and cooked these short ribs the next day. I swear to God, it was really, really good. Cut up some veggies, add it to the same pot, saute everything together. Green seasoning on point, never disappoint. But this is just to enhance flavors. Then I have some Maggi stock cube. I had one also. Remember, these are very salty, so you have to be very careful. You can't add too much unless you want to drink a lot of water later on, then yes. So then I add some bay leaf, 2 bay leaf, star anise, and also cloves. I was more looking for like a barbecue profile, you know, because it's short ribs. You need to get like a kind of sweet taste, like, yeah, that was the taste I was looking for. And to be honest, it did work out. It wasn't too sweet. It wasn't too sweet. It was just perfect. So now, in some boiling water, I add some ketchup. I add a little bit of soy sauce, some oyster sauce, strawberry jam, and a bit of marmalade. That's what my mind tells me to do, and this is what I wanted to do. So I decided to mix all of those ingredients together to get like the taste I was looking for. And believe me, the best thing to do is not overdo it when it comes to ingredients. When you're mixing too much, never ever put too much of, everything. Because then when you put too much, you can't take it back out. It works perfectly. So I cooked it a little bit, about 20 minutes, just to get everything together on top of the stove. And then I decided to transfer it to my Pyrex dish, which easier to cook in the oven. Pyrex dish. It's our oven proof dish, you can call it that. So I transferred everything to my dish. This was an easy part. To be honest, I like this part of it. It's quick and easy. Yeah, and I then add all the gravy to the meat. Just make sure it's all covered. Look at that. Whew. That looks like you could eat it just like that, to be honest. My favorite part of cooking. Cooking for me, guys, I am not a trained chef. Cooking for me is just a hobby. I just really love cooking. I cook mostly about 4 times out of the week. Most weeks. Guys, remember to like my video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. At the end, this meat takes me about 2 hours and 20 minutes. It has a lot of oil accumulated at the end, but what I did was skim off all the extra oil, because you don't want to have, food with too much oil in it. So I skimmed off all that extra oil at the end. It was so delicious, soft, tender, ooh, chunky. It was just delicious. Really nice tasting short ribs. This was my first time cooking it, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. My family did too. So guys, let me know what you think. Remember to like and share the video. Bless.